Now we go ahead and balance a wheel on the Corghi EM9250. I'm going to start with the steel wheel because I want to show you a couple of different programs. As you can see, there's several cones that come with the machine. I always like to cone the wheel from the inside. That's the most precise way to do it. We take our quick lock wing nut, lock the wheel in place. Very good. At this point, all we need to do on a steel wheel is to tell the balancer where the edge is. And I'm talking about the internal edge, so where the bead of the tire would sit. Once you have done that, you can put this in home position, press the start button. Machine will perform a very quick and quiet spin. You can see in this case there is ½ ounce needed on the inside. You can actually see the section of the wheel with the weight blinking. 0-50, just make sure all these lights are highlighted. 0-50, 12 o'clock. So try to stay as precise as possible on 12 o'clock. Weight in place, check spin. In a matter of a few seconds, the wheel is perfectly balanced. Remove wing nut and into the next wheel. I will now show you how to balance aluminum wheel with tape-on weights. We use a larger cone in this case, lock the wheel just we did for the steel one. We need to tell the machine where we want to place the two wheel weight, because basically we will select one position and the second one toward the spoke. So we just grab this internal gauge. This is where we'll put our weight on the inside. This is where we'll put our weight on the outside. As you can see, the machine automatically sensed that we are using tape-on weight. At this point, you can proceed with the spin. Again, very fast and quiet. You can see we have our amount of weight, 125 and 150. What is really cool is you can see that now when I select one of the two weights, I will actually have a laser line at 6 o'clock. So down there you can see your laser line. That's where you would place your wheel weight, right in the middle of the line. Got my weight, I'm going internal. As you can see, we'll place it on the inner one, rotate until we get to the 125, which is the next weight. 125. And place it right here and proceed with the check spin. There are other programs you might need to use depending on the type of wheel, beginning with the static on very heavy off-road and mud dirt tires, where the machine asks for a huge amount of weight. At that point, you should use the static program, which is the one that places only one big weight in the center of the wheel. To select that program, pick up the size of the wheel as you would on a steel wheel. After that, you confirm the width, so you can increase or decrease the width of your wheel, confirm. From there, you can start browsing through the program and select a different position for the weight with the plus and minus button. As you can see, we are in static mode now. It's showing me only one weight at 12 o'clock in the center of the wheel. If we are in aluminum program, so with our gauge, we select two different positions for the wheel weights. As you can see, even in this case, we can browse between a clip-on weight and a tape-on, or both tape-on weight. So we have all these choices. We can select where to place the weight on the wheel, depending on the kind of assembly we have.